Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me in my craft room. Today I want to kick off my first collab ever. So you'll have to be patient with me, but I think I have all the information. So first of all, it'll be for the calendar year 2021 and it'll be monthly. And if you want to participate, you can share a project either on YouTube with a video or on Instagram, either with a video or a photo. And it's going to be called the Joy of Blue Collab. And I know in our updates video, we talked about doing a blue party. I wanted to be sure it didn't seem political, so I was kind of careful with the name. So it'll be Joy of Blue, and we'll put out a video each month on the 12th at noon Eastern time. So that'll be 9 a.m. Pacific for those of us here in the US on the West Coast. And if you want to participate, either message me on Instagram or you can email me and I'll get you set up. And our first one will be January 12th. So that's coming up pretty quick. And there aren't rules about how you participate. So if you are a paint pourer or a resin person or a scrapbooker or a card maker, or I don't know, maybe you want to refinish a piece of furniture every month and you like blue. And it doesn't have to be all blue. Like the journal I have right here, the cover's not blue, but there's a lot of blue in it. It just has to have some blue in it, and you should be having fun making it. That's really it. There aren't any rules, and don't be shy. If you'd like to participate, let me know. And thank you to all of you for your support. I really, really appreciate it. I hope that 2021 is good to all of you. Bye-bye.